Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi children, how are you? I hope you are all safe. Before going to the topic, I will say you some warm-up exercise. Okay? Be ready student. Sit straight. All of you sit straight. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Children, yesterday you learned types of straight lines and curved lines. As today I will explain you open figure, closed figure and 2D shapes. Open figures. Figures which do not end at the point where they begin from are called open figure. See children, it is not joined. As this is open figure. What is this? Open figure. See, figures which do not end at the point where they begin from are called open figure. Figure which do not end at the point where they begin from are called open figure. It's begin here, but it's not joined. Yes or no? This is called open figure. Write in the classwork children. Figure which do not end at the point where they begin from are called open figure. Next, closed figures. Figures which end at the point where they begin from are called closed figure. See here, it's begin and it's end in the again begin point. As this is called closed figure. See like this. Square, circle, triangle, rectangle. These are all called closed figures. See, figures which end at the point where they begin from are called closed figures. Understood? It's end at the begin point. Understood? Figures which end at the point where they begin from are called closed figure. Write in the classwork children. Figure which closed figures. Figures which end at the point where they begin from are called closed figures. Write in the classwork. 2D figures or two-dimensional figures or 2D shapes. See children, plain shapes we'll call 2D figures or 2D shapes or two-dimensional figures. Understood? See, square, triangle, circle, rectangle. Understood? These are 2D figures, flat shapes. I will explain you about square. See children, this is square. Okay? A, B, C, D. See? It has How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. How many sides? 4 sides. What are they? AB, one side, BD, CD and AC. Yes, how many sides it has? 4 sides. What are they? AB one side, BD one side, CD one side, AC one side. See children, it has 4 sides, AB, BD, CD and AC. How many sides? 4 sides. 4 sides are equal. All sides are equal. See, all sides are equal in length. Equal in length. See, this all sides are equal in length. See, this and this and this. All sides are equal in length. Understood children? See, it has 4 sides. A, B, C, D. A, B, B, D, C, D, A, C. 4 sides. All sides are equal in length. All sides are equal in length. How many corners it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners? 4 corners. What are they? A corner, B corner, C corner, D corner. Understood? It has 4 corners. Okay. What are they? A, B, C and D. Understood children? See, it has 4 sides. A, B, BD, BD, CD and AC. All sides are equal in length. It has 4 corners A, B, C and D. See, AB is one side, BD is another side, CD is third side, AC is fourth side. How many sides here? 4 sides. All sides are equal in length. It has 4 corners A, B, C, D. Okay children, write in the classwork. Let's learn new words children. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Begin. B-E-G-I-N. Begin. B-E-G-I-N. Begin. B-E-G-I-N. Begin. B-E-G-I-N. Begin. Point. P-O-I-N-T. Point. P-O-I-N-T. Point. P-O-I-N-T. Point. Equal. E-Q-U-A-L. Equal. E-Q-U-A-L. Equal. E-Q-U-A-L. Equal. Corners. C-O-R-N-E-R-S. Corners. C-O-R-N-E-R-S. Corners. Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Length. L-E-N-G-T-H. Length. L-E-N-G-T-H. Length. L-E-N-G-T-H. Length. Sides. S-I-D-E-S. Sides. S-I-D-E-S. Sides. You should write in the classes one time children. After that 3 times in homework book. Okay. Again, circle, square, begin, point, equal, corners, triangle, length, sides. Write in the classwork, children. See children, this is your classwork. You should open like this and write here your name, class, division, subject. Okay. After that, you should draw here line. Margin line you should draw. See like this. After that, you should write chapter number 1, shapes, heading. After that, you should write date. Understood? After that, you should write down new words. Okay. Next, new words after. Daily I am giving the works. Yes, write in the classwork. That works you should write here. First new words you should write here. After that, next whatever work I am giving, that one you should write. This is first day work. Next day, again you should draw the margin line. Again you should write the chapter name. Again you should write new words. After that, again whatever I am giving in the next day work, that one you should write here. Okay children? Children, everyone open your textbook, page number 10. First bit, draw the following: line, line segment, ray, horizontal line, vertical lines. Okay, what you have to do, you should draw the line, line segment, ray, horizontal line, vertical lines. Okay, identify whether the following figures are open or closed. You should identify these figures. Which one is open, which one is closed. Okay. See, you should open your homework book like this and you should draw margin line first. Should draw margin line. After that, you should write chapter number 1, shapes. Again, you should write date here. Bit 1. What is that? Draw the following. You should write here. After that, you should write line down. After that, you should draw the line. After that, you should write line segment and you should draw line segment. After that, ray you should write and draw the ray. Understood? Again, horizontal lines you should write and you should draw the horizontal line. After that, vertical lines you should write. After that, you should draw the vertical lines. Next, second bit you should draw these figures. Understood? First heading you should write. Identify whether the following figure are opened or closed. You should write first heading. After that, you should draw these figures. After that, you should find which one is open, which one is closed figure. Understood? Okay, we will meet again next class. Bye children. Bye.